Hello kids, today we will draw a bunch of grapes. So let's start. First draw a circle in the middle of the paper, like this. Good job, now draw some more circle on its side. Just draw like me and make many grapes. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we draw lots of grapes. Let's count how many we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done, now draw the branch. Draw a curved line, then draw it like this. Good job, now draw the leaf. Draw a big curved line, then draw the sides. Well done, now draw the upper part also. Look how great it's looking. Lastly, draw the leaf veins, and it's done. To make the drawing more cute, draw some heart shape. Draw a heart on left. Good job, now draw a heart on right side also. Well done, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use red color and color the heart shape. You can also color the hearts differently. Now use purple color and color the grapes. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color one by one, and don't make any mistake. Color step by step, then you will not make any mistake. what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, color the middle one, and it's done. Good job! Now use brown color and color the branch. Color carefully and slowly like this. Now use green color and color the leaf. Color the leaf slowly and don't color the veins. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use dark purple color and draw some shadow. Draw a curved line on each grapes, like this. Carefully draw the line and don't color the outside. Well done, it's looking very tasty. Now use white color and draw some line. Draw the line and make the grapes shiny. Draw some small and curved line like this. Now draw some line on their leaf. Just follow me and look, we complete the drawing. Look how delicious the grapes are looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.